when it comes to this area, the president mentioned, actually Deputy President mentioned yesterday, they came for a working tour and decided to come to our home for lunch, and we relaxed for the whole evening. He spent 4 or 5 hours with us, and there were many discussions. One of the discussions I had with both Excellency Deputy President and the President was a project which I pitched to both of them, and they really encouraged me. Now, this project, Your Excellency, I didn't tell you the main purpose of it and the end goal. The end goal was to change the lives of the people of Nyanza. I had an elaborate plan that in the next 2-3 years, all these primary schools you're seeing here to be fully rehabilitated. We had plans to build many more churches. We had plans for everyone to have clean water. You don't have to be a politician to make a difference to your country. You don't. Sometimes the politicians make so much noise, but the results, we can't see them. And kelele ni mingi, lakini kazi saa zingine ni kidogo. And that one I'm not afraid of saying. Your Excellency, this mandate was given to me by God himself more than 14 years ago. I took my dad and I made him take me to all the graves of all the great Luo leaders around. We went to Jaramogi's home, we went to Acheng Oneko's home, we went to Robert Ouko's home. I was privileged to meet the wife. And Your Excellency, God put something in my heart to change the lives of the people in this region. I'm making a public announcement today. And it is nothing political. I'm not interested in politics because I have a plan. Both Excellencies are aware of it. All I am asking for is their continued support. And nitawaita mfungue mashule na makanisa hii area mpaka mseme hiyo imetosha. Hata sasa toka hii area ukuje saidi yetu. That one, Your Excellency, I commit to you before God, the public and the President. I will change this area. In fact, my first school that I wanted to start working on is Pap Nyadiel, just down the road. But my father, having been brought here, this will be my first place. And Your Excellency, so knowing your working relationship with him, let me just put this to rest. As a family and as a community, we thank you for putting your trust in General. You are not lucky to come by road. You came, I think, by helicopter. But on the road, people from all the counties on the way here, Kisumu, all the markets along the road, they're bidding farewell to the General. They didn't even know him, some of them, but they've lost a son of the land. And he was a great man. And the only way I can continue his legacy is by what I've said. Because if we're in, I think it's Equatorial Guinea, where when a general dies, I would just walk to the coffin, take his ranks and